Hey everyone, today we will be doing yoga.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so right now we are just starting off in a sitting pose and we are putting our left hand down and stretching our head back and forth. Very gentle moves.
Very gentle. Want to make sure you don't strain anything. Ease on into it.
It really helps you as far as relaxing and just stretching those parts that we usually don't stretch.
True.
Now we're just taking our right hand and we are putting our head towards the other side and stretching the other side of our neck out.
Feel free to bring that chin up and down if you want to. It's up to you.
It's up to you. And this stretch feels amazing, you guys.
Definitely a great way to start off. I'm not the most flexible person, but I'm also not the most stiff.
All right, now we are just stretching our head, getting out all the clicks and ticks.
Nice, nice.
Yes. All right, so now we are transitioning to a new pose. We're gonna lay on our bellies and we'll begin to have a flow here. And you can go at your own pace. That's the beauty of this. You work at your own pace.
Beautiful.
So as you can see, we are going up into a cobra pose, stretching out that back, that spinal.
Spinal.
All right. Gently going back down. And like I said, we are just flowing with this at our own pace.
Nice and gentle. As best as possible.
All right, so now we are getting to my favorite pose. This is child's pose. And this pose feels amazing, you guys. Like you can feel it in your back, your shoulders. It's such a restorative pose.
Very restorative, in my opinion.
Definitely. And so we're just gonna rest here, just feeling how our bodies are feeling, taking that time for ourselves.
Controlling our breaths as best as possible.
And as you can see, we have stretched over to our left side, opening that side of our body, having our breath to breathe more easily and effortlessly.
I can feel it.
Definitely a beautiful pose.
Gorgeous.
All right, we are going to take it to the other side. This feels amazing, you guys. I would definitely recommend trying this out.
It is feeling great.
And it's very tranquil, very peaceful.
It is.
And it really helps you to practice that mindfulness that we all need every day.
Every day.
Just focusing on movement and breath.
Nice.
All right. Now we are transitioning, getting up very gently, very slowly, one vertebrae at a time.
One vertebrae at a time. Now, this ain't the most comfortable position for myself, but we gonna finish. You see my shirt, finishers.
And you know what? That's beautiful, babe. Like you're going at your own pace.
Oh, definitely.
It's not a rush, it's not a race. It's all about you and what feels good for your body.
It's the best part about it.
Beautiful. We'll see you guys next time in our yoga practice.
See you next time.
Bye, you guys.